Guys, good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech with Sachin Pal. I'm Sachin Pal. I'm from Unnao, Uttar Pradesh, and I hope you all are doing well and you all are able to learn something on daily basis. So, as you all are well known, like I have started a 100-day challenge for myself, and in that particular challenge, I'm going to create or make a video blog in spoken English till 100 days. And today is the 58th day of that particular challenge, and I'm continuous on it. And as earlier, I have started storytelling on my YouTube channel, so I'm continuous on it. And today also, I want to narrate a story which is definitely having a deep message for you all. And if you are going to be stay tuned till the end, then definitely you are able to get that deep message, and you all are able to be familiar with so many new vocabs and phrases and sentences. So let's start. So once upon a time there was a young boy living whose name is Arjun, and he is 25 years old, and he is a working professional. He living alone in a big city, and he is a very active person. He always be in hurry, like when he wake up, he just take a bath, and after that he do some breakfast, and then ran he started running for reach towards the bus stop and get a bus to reach to the office. And when even when he's sitting on the table to do his breakfast, then also his mind is running for reach to the bus stop and show on. And when he reached in his office, then his office is having a very clear space and so many computers and a big watch, and watch voice is very loud. Each tick tick voice is coming very loudly, so it's reminding like time passes in very speed. You need to utilize each and every moment, how much you are able to utilize. And Arjun is very kind of workaholic person, and he when he saw his colleagues, someone buy new house, someone buy new car, and someone is able to get appraisal, good appraisal or increment, and someone is posting their post on social media, like they are on some vacations and they are seems very happy. Then he pretending to be happy for them, but when he is alone he's feeling sad, and he's feeling he's not able to achieve the milestone of their life, and he become very sad inside him. But inside of in front of the peoples, he acting like he is very happy for their growth. And that day when he reached to his house, he lay down on the bed, and his mind started thinking where I'm lacking, why I'm not able to achieve that growth. And he realized I'm taking care of everything. I'm must active on social media. I'm checking social media and in frequently manner, but he's not able to do so. He's just struggling to get good amount of sleep due to multiple thoughts running in his brain one after one. So after a very long struggle, he's able to get sleep. And when he woke up next day in the morning, he woke up late. Then when he saw the clock, he suddenly go for fresh up, and after that he skipped his breakfast, and he started running to get into the bus stop and to take the bus for his office. And he missed the bus, and he started walking, and after some time he is able to get another bus, and he reached his office little bit late. No one is said anything with Arjun, but he started thinking within him, I'm not able to be present in the office at the current time or at the fixed time. And he started working on whatever work he has in his office. And that day he didn't take the office bus to go to his house, and he started walking on foot. So sometime he realized that the city lights are also walking with him, and after some time he realized that they leave they get back, and they are after after some time he is able to get to the park, and where is a small pond, and there was some bird sounds are coming. And Arjun sat on the wood bench, and his shoulders are down, and suddenly he saw a turtle walking very slowly. So he started thinking this turtle is walking very slowly, and he keep watching the turtle walking. And after some time he is able to notice like the turtle is able to reach to the beach of the that pond. And slowly he get into the water and he started swimming. And he keep focused on the turtle. Then after some time the caretaker of that garden came, and he saw he saw Arjun, he is focused on the turtle. So then he started saying this turtle is living here from since 80 or 90 years. So, and in that period there are so many animals come and go, but he is still here because he is very slow. And he also said one thing to Arjun, life is not a race, it is a path, and we need to walk carefully. We no need to do any race. So that day Arjun realized I am taking life in a wrong way, and he goes to his house and he lay down on the bed, and he started from next day I am also going to be slow. So he not able to change his life in one day, but he think like I'm going to change one little thing from my life. So from next day he started he think like I'm not going to check my social media in a frequent manner. I'm going to check my social media once in a day, and he do that things. So he is able to notice after some amount of time, or after 1 month, he is able to notice he is very focused and calm. Because if someone try to check their social media in a frequent manner, they are not able to be focused and calm. So he realized that he is more focused and calm, and he's not able to achieve extraordinary milestone in their life, but he is able to enjoy each and every moment. Whatever he is doing, he is able to be in the present moment. So the conclusion of the story is, don't rush for a life. Life is not a race, it is a path. So you need to walk very carefully and wisely. So one day you are definitely able to reach towards your goal. And that's it. And I hope this story is really feeling like meaningful, and you all are able to learn something from this story. So yeah, thank you so much for being with me till the end. And goodbye, take care, have a great day ahead. Thank you so much for being with me on this journey. Goodbye.